Welcome back to another riveting episode of Nature's Battleground. Today, we delve into the age-old rivalry between two formidable predators, the mongoose and the snake. Prepare to witness a clash of instinct, strategy, and survival prowess as these two iconic creatures face off in a battle for dominance. Join us as we unravel the thrilling tale of mongoose versus snake. Number 1. Appearance. Mongooses and snakes are natural enemies, famous for their dramatic battles. Let's see how they differ in appearance. Firstly, let's take a mongoose. They have elongated bodies with short legs, giving them a sleek look. Their snouts are long and pointed, perfect for digging and sniffing out prey. Their ears are small and rounded, almost hidden in their fur. Mongoose fur comes in various shades of brown, grey, and even yellow. Some species sport stripes, while others have unique markings on their tails, like rings or bands. Mongoose size varies greatly depending on the species. The dwarf mongoose is the tiny titan, measuring just 7 inches long, while the whooping white-tailed mongoose can reach a length of 28 inches. Their tails add another 6 to 21 inches. And now about snake. Snakes are all about the elongated body, with no limbs at all. They come in a wide range of sizes, from tiny blind snakes, just a few inches long, to monstrous pythons, reaching over 30 feet. A snake's defining feature is its smooth, scaly skin. These scales come in a dazzling array of colors and patterns, helping them camouflage or intimidate predators. A snake's head can be quite diverse. Cobras have their iconic hoods for flaring when threatened, while vipers have triangular heads with heat-sensing pits. Constrictors often have broader heads to overpower their prey. Snake eyes have a distinctive lidless stare. Their pupils can be round, vertical, or elliptical depending on the species and their hunting habits. Number 2. Domestication. Mongoose generally not domesticated, though some species have been kept as pets in captivity. Snake, while some snake species are kept as pets, they are not fully domesticated. Many are kept in captivity for educational purposes or as exotic pets. Number 3. Natural habitat. Mongoose found in a wide range of habitats, including forests, savannas, and scrublands, primarily in Africa and Asia. Snake can inhabit diverse environments, such as forests, deserts, grasslands, and aquatic habitats across all continents, except Antarctica. Number 4. Social structure. Mongoose often live in social groups called colonies or packs, with hierarchical structures and cooperative behaviors for hunting and defense. While snake generally solitary creatures, except during mating season or in cases of communal hibernation sites. Some snake species exhibit maternal care, but most are solitary hunters. Number 5. Range and population. Firstly, talk about mongoose range. Mongooses are found in Africa, Madagascar, and southern Asia. Their exact range can vary depending on the specific species. For instance, the Indian grey mongoose is widespread across India and parts of Iran, while other species have more localized ranges. Now let's talk about population. Unfortunately, there are no reliable estimates for the total mongoose population globally. Their elusive nature and wide range make large-scale population counts difficult. However, many mongoose species seem to be doing well based on observations. The Indian grey mongoose, for example, is considered widespread and common. Now let's talk about snakes' range. Snakes are one of the most widely distributed groups of reptiles, found on every continent except Antarctica. Their range varies greatly depending on the species. Some species, like vipers, are found across multiple continents, while others have very restricted ranges on specific islands. And the population, similar to mongooses, there's no single population estimate for all snakes worldwide. Snake populations can fluctuate depending on factors like habitat availability, prey abundance, and human activity. Some species are thriving, while others are threatened or endangered. Number 6. Strength and power. The mongoose and the snake, famous rivals in the animal kingdom, locked in an evolutionary dance of predator and prey. Each creature boasts unique strengths that make for dramatic confrontations. Mongooses are lightning fast, darting and weaving with incredible agility. This maneuverability allows them to dodge a snake strike and get close enough to counterattack. Their thick fur offers some protection from a snake's bite. Mongoose are known for their relentless defense, tirelessly harassing and confusing the snake until they find an opening. While not completely immune, some mongoose species may have a degree of tolerance to snake venom, allowing them to recover from a bite more quickly. Snakes, of course, possess the ultimate weapon, and that is venom. A single bite from a venomous snake can deliver a lethal dose of neurotoxins or cytotoxins, depending on the species. Even non-venomous snakes, like pythons, use their incredible constricting strength to overpower and suffocate their prey. This can be a major advantage against a small mammal like a mongoose. Snakes have excellent senses of smell and heat detection, allowing them to track prey effectively. Their lightning-fast strike can catch an unaware mongoose off guard. The outcome is that the mongoose's reputation as a snake killer is well deserved, but it's not always a one-sided victory. The outcome depends on several factors. Number 7. Behavior and diet. Mongoose known for their agility, intelligence, and fearlessness when hunting. They are active during the day and have excellent senses. Mongoose carnivorous diet consisting of insects, small mammals, birds, eggs, and sometimes snakes. Snake behavior varies widely between species, but generally involves stealthy hunting and ambush tactics. Many snakes are nocturnal or crepuscular. Snake carnivorous diet primarily consisting of rodents, birds, eggs, and occasionally other snakes or amphibians, depending on the species. Number 8. Species. There are 34 species of mongooses found in Africa, Madagascar, Southern Asia, and Southern Europe. They are known for their agility and ferocity, and many species are adept at killing venomous snakes. Indian grey mongoose, yellow mongoose, banded mongoose, dwarf mongoose, Egyptian mongoose, and meerkat. There are over 3,000 species of snakes found on every continent except Antarctica. They come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, and some are venomous. King cobra, black mamba, rattlesnake, python, boa constrictor, and garter snake. Number 9. Reproduction. Mongoose breed seasonally, usually once a year. Both parents or just the mother might raise the 1-4 offspring or pups in a litter. Social species like banded mongoose have complex breeding dynamics. Dominant males might have exclusive breeding rights with multiple females, or a single dominant pair may breed. Litters can range from 2 to 6 pups. These mongooses exhibit cooperative breeding, where all members help raise the young. Females may even nurse each other's pups. Snake reproduction varies by species, but many snakes breed in spring. Internal fertilization occurs, and females can store sperm for later use. Most snakes lay leathery eggs and leave them to incubate, but some species give birth to live young. Unlike mongooses, snakes generally don't provide parental care. The hatchlings are independent from birth. Number 10. Physical characteristics. Mongooses are small, weasel-like mammals with short legs, long bodies, and pointed snouts. Their fur is usually grey or brown, and some species have stripes or other markings. Mongooses have long, bushy tails that can be as long as their bodies. Their claws are non-retractable and are used for digging. Snakes are elongated, legless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpentes. Like all squamates, snakes are ectothermic, amniote vertebrates covered in overlapping scales. Many species of snakes have skulls with several more joints than their lizard ancestors, enabling them to swallow prey much larger than their heads with their highly mobile jaws. Number 11. Dangers to humans. Mongoose, while generally not dangerous to humans, some species can carry diseases such as rabies. In rare cases, they may attack if provoked or feel threatened. Snake depending on the species, some snakes possess venom that can be deadly to humans if bitten. However, most snakes are non-venomous and will only bite in self-defense. Number 12. Adaptation. Mongooses are known for their lightning-fast reflexes and agility. Their short legs allow them to weave through tall grass and dodge snake strikes. Some mongoose species have thick fur that can provide some protection from snake bites. While not completely immune, some mongoose species have a higher tolerance to snake venom due to modified acetylcholine receptors. This allows them to fight off snakes and potentially even metabolize the venom. Snakes have a wide variety of venoms, some acting on the nervous system and others destroying tissues. These venoms are highly effective for subduing prey and defending themselves. Snakes have sharp fangs that efficiently inject venom and powerful jaws to hold on to their prey. Constrictors like pythons use their muscular bodies to coil around and squeeze their prey, suffocating them. Number 13. Used by humans. While the classic image pits the mongoose against the cobra in a fierce battle, human interaction with both these creatures goes beyond mere observation of their rivalry. Here's a closer look at how humans have used these animals. Mongoose agility and fondness for snakes led to their introduction in some areas to control rodent and snake populations. However, this backfired as mongooses themselves became invasive pests, harming native ecosystems. Snake venom has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, though modern medical practices have mostly moved away from this. Research on snake venom continues, however, as it holds potential for new medications. Snake skin has been used for clothing, bags, and other accessories, though ethical concerns have led to a decline in this practice. Snakes are revered in some cultures and seen as symbols of rebirth, transformation, or fertility. Both mongooses and snakes play important ecological roles. While humans have interacted with these creatures in various ways, it's crucial to ensure these interactions are sustainable and don't disrupt delicate ecosystems. And finally, number 14, conservation status. The mongoose and the snake are often depicted as mortal enemies, locked in an epic battle for survival. But when it comes to conservation, their situations are quite different. Most mongoose species are not endangered, but some are threatened. The International Union for Conservation of Nature provides the most comprehensive picture of species conservation status. One common species, the Indian grey mongoose, is listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, meaning its population is stable. However, there are concerns about the hunting of mongooses for their fur, used in paintbrushes, which could threaten some populations in the future. Introduced species like the small Asian mongoose have been disastrous for island ecosystems, showcasing the dangers of disrupting natural predator-prey balances. Snake conservation is a complex issue with a wider range of threats depending on the species. Habitat loss, due to factors like deforestation and development, is a major threat for many snake species. Snakes are also often killed by humans due to fear or misunderstanding about their role in the ecosystem. Some snake species, particularly those specializing in rodent control, are actually beneficial to humans. As the dust settles in the realm of predators, we've witnessed the raw power and cunning tactics of both the mongoose and the snake. Their timeless conflict serves as a testament to the intricate dance of nature. Join us again for more captivating encounters on nature's battleground. Until next time, remember to subscribe, like, and share to stay connected with the wonders of the wild.